I chose Unity because it's a very open school and they let you do projects like this.
I like Unity because you get to make new friends and you get to have fun with your friends at recess and you get to meet new teachers.
Okay, so the reason that I really love Unity is because, I mean, it's just so eco-friendly and you really get to know the teachers really well, unlike a friend-to-friend basis. And yeah, it's just so like economically good, and you really know everybody well, and it's just such a small area that you get really close with your friends.
Because you can make a lot of friends and people don't fight a lot.
Okay, I like Unity because teachers are always nice to us and always my friends are kind.
I choose Unity because you can learn how to be sustainable and it's just a great environment for others and there are a lot of friendly people.
I chose Unity because the school is very diverse, they have healthy food, and it's a lot of fun.
I like Unity because you can always make new friends.
I chose Unity because everyone here is super nice and productive up there.
I like Unity because I feel like the students here get a lot more freedom and yeah.
I heard about Unity from a friend and coming here has changed my life. The place is so diverse, is so accepting, and has an incredible educational program.
Oh, I like Unity because it's very sustainable and they use reusable glasses and stuff.
I chose Unity and I like Unity because there's a lot of fun activities here. The teachers are really great and the education is good. I've been here for 6 years and I have made so many friends.
Unity because the kids are very diverse and the teachers are nice and easy to talk to. The food is cool and it's cool.
I chose Unity because it's a really good school and people really respect here.
I chose Unity because it's environmentally friendly. They're nice to the teachers, really nice to the teachers, and there's no dress code too. And also there's like a whole bunch of amazing, awesome stuff. Like the education is amazing. There's awesome. It's great. The field trips are also good.
Unity because all the kids here are so nice and the teachers are really nice and we get to call them by their first names and we do lots of awesome projects.
I chose Unity because the education here is much better than the education at other schools.
Okay, so I chose Unity because it's a really green school, and when I came to take a tour of Unity, there's a lot of friendly kids, and they all waved hi to me.
Hi, I'm Michael, and I chose Unity because of the innovative curriculum and positive atmosphere.
School, and so you can make a lot of friends, and you can meet like basically everyone, and the teachers pay more attention to you, so you can get better grades.
Sonia and I chose Unity because it's a kind place with kind.
Unity because the teachers are nice and it's a small school, so you get to know everybody. You're not shy.
I chose Unity because it was a really good school and I went there like for like a year or so because my sister was there and I just really liked the environment around it. So yeah.
I chose to go to Unity because all the people are so nice and they take care of the environment goodly, and it's real important to take care of the environment because the environment helps us breathe
What I like about Unity Charter School is that like you call the teachers by their actual name instead of like Mr. and Mrs. And like I like it how everyone's so chill and like all the like decomposing stuff and all the recycling. I really like it.
What do you like about Unity?
I like about Unity is that all the teachers are amazing and they make great events. The reason I like Unity is that there are a lot of cool friends, and once I began here, I met a good friend who gave me a tour around Unity. Because that I could go outside in recess after lunch, and when I in aftercare I can play outside for a while.
What I like about Unity is that it's fun and it's weird. Nobody questions you and everybody gets along and it's great.
I like PL.
My name is Griffin Munn.
And what do you like about Unity?
I like about Unity is that the older kids get to hang out with the little kids, and we can help them out with anything they need.
What do you like about Unity?
big thing about Unity is that it's sustainable and everybody has someone they can turn to if they have a problem.
What do you like about Unity?
That we have like a lot of cool spirit days and we have group PE and stuff. It's cool.
My name is Alex, and I chose Unity because I have a lot of friends here, and it's fun to learn.
Because the teachers are really nice, the kids are really nice, and I always laugh every day. And we always get to go outside for recess and play soccer or something like that.
Unity because it's a charter school and I like to learn.
I chose Unity because the people here are really nice. I chose Unity because it's the best school that you could ever imagine.